Hi guys, today I'm here at Baga's Tibetan Market and I'm here to buy 4 gifts. Well, and currently I have just 500. Do you think it's impossible or is it going to be possible for me to buy 4 gifts in just 500? Well, stay and let's see how we do it. और ये अलग, ये भी सेम. Guys, okay, so I am probably getting this for like 200 bucks. What do you think? I think it's very cute. Okay, there's another cute choice. There's these cute little squishies. Look at them. This is again for like 200 rupees. And I have another choice again for 200. Okay. Any idea should I should settle with this? I really think this would be a very cute gift. Like, kuch kam nahi. So first customer, no? So if I come first customer, that means I should get a little less, no? We are breaking the 500 now for a bag. With the bag down at 200, I am left with 300 rupees. And I still have to buy 3 more gifts. Let me see if it's possible if I can buy 3 or 2. So for that, you have to stay a little longer. Let's go. What is this called? Oh, it's a singing bowl for meditation. I don't think I'm getting anything from here because everything seems at 500. Let's see somewhere else. Or boat. So ये सब 50? All 50? Might be hot in the market, but everything is a definite shot to look at. Here are some very cute oxidized earrings. How much are these oxidized? 250. 250. Really out of money right now, but then it's very cute. Anything less than 250 over here? Rings? You just said they are all 4. Well, if he can't, I can buy one. After all that hunt for those cute rings, I'm falling short on the budget. So I had to leave it. But let's check out some other items. Another cute item. It's charging me 150 for it. I'm just gonna try my luck. Kuch kam? Guys, there are 2 different kinds. 100. Guys, I'm settling for 100. I'm 2 items down and I'm left with only 200 rupees now. Let's see if I can still buy 2 more items or I'll just have to settle with 1. Let's find out. So this is for 50. I'm adding to this. And well, these are for 50. Got the bracelet and the anklet for 100. And guess what, guys? I'm still down with 100 bucks remaining. And I got 3. It's a bag, this. Oh well, yeah, I got 2 here. So I'm actually 4 gifts down. 4 gifts. And I am in luck because I can pack these also. Look guys, for all those of y'all who thought that I couldn't do it this far, well, you're wrong. Here I got my last piece, finished with all the 500 that I had, and I will show you all everything once I'm done with this payment. I'm finally done shopping at the Baga Tibetan market, and at one point I honestly gave up thinking that I couldn't manage all the 4 gifts for 500 bucks. But I managed to not only get 4 gifts but 5 for 500 rupees. That's, as you can see, this cute little bracelet which is 100 bucks, and my bag for 200, this cute pair of earrings for another 100 bucks, and this anklet and a bracelet, 50 each. So here they all go in. I'm sure for all those who really thought that was not impossible, clearly it's possible. So the next time you're in Goa and you're looking to shop for something like this and you want to take home some cute gifts, well, make sure to visit the Tibetan market in Baga and try your luck. For more such videos, don't forget to follow Gomantak Times YouTube channel, your gateway to Goa.